Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Forgive others. Forgiveness is the only way to heal your emotional wounds. Forgive those who hurt you no matter what they've done, because you don't want to hurt yourself every time you remember what they did. When you can touch a wound and it doesn't hurt, then you know that you have truly forgiven. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up 59, Nasdaq up 15, S&P's up 4, gold contract up $12.10, trading at $1,584 an ounce. Silver up 75 cents at $27.89 an ounce. Platinum up 12 bucks at $1,549 an ounce. Copper up 7 pennies at $3.44 a pound. Light sweet crude up 66 cents at $94.02 a barrel. Bonds down 10 ticks at 147 even. King dollar down 400 ticks at 82.47. The euro up 77, trading out at $1.30.85, and the yen down 33 at 99.02. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so check it out. We hit 1573.89 today on the cash S&P. Now, on the 2nd of April, folks, we had hit 1573.66. But guess what? This cash S&P, folks, is going for the 1576.09. And that baby's going to get hit more than likely tomorrow or the next day. And what that number is the October 2007 high. That's what this cash S&P wants to go for. Watching it all day long out here. And what was amazing out here today, folks, is that as the market started down slightly, gets a little bit juice in it, comes back a little, gets a little more juice in it, and then bottom line, it's that S&P cash, it's going for that cash. Dow Industrials out here, you get to another high in the Dow. The Dow, the Dow will fall apart after that cash S&P gets hit. Up 59 bucks. Now, inside the Dow, and this is one of the nice tells inside the Dow right now, IBM still can't move. You had Big Blue out here today. If we go take a look at IBM, IBM is at 209.22. Bottom line, it's building a B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. And IBM is, by the way, a great-looking stock. Wants to go to 183, though. Inside the Dow Industrials today, if we take a look at what was powering the Dow ahead, you had Microsoft, Intel, Caterpillar, and Cisco. Taken out of it was Procter & Gamble, American Express, Big Mac, and Coca-Cola. Nasdaq Composite. We go over to the composite. You take a look at the composite. This is what you have with the composite. Composite today was up 15 bucks. Oh, okay. So the S&Ps, the Dow, we did 610 million. So you can see you crawled a little up on the volume there too, versus 585 yesterday. Today on the Nasdaq Composite, we did 1.4 billion versus 1.3 yesterday. We're at 32.27, and it looks to me that the composite also is going to go for at least the 32.70. We got to the 32.49 today. The NDX 100. Now, let's go take a look at the actual indice, the NDX 100, and what we did out here today, up 18 bucks. The last high that was out there was that 28.28. We hit 28.15 out here today. It looks to me like, that's gonna hit it. Russell 2000. Now, Russell, what you have is this. Russell is still the weakest indice. Russell today, the actual Russell got to a price point of 934, closed at 929, so gave it up somewhat. That's going to basically try to get up into at least the 934, 940 area. I figured 940.29 is a good number. That's I suspect that's going to go back up there. Why? Because when you put it all together, folks, what happens with Harmony and markets is this. Well, here, now let's go to the bonds, because you'll see what's going on with the bonds too. So 30-year bond right now, what we've done is this. You're down 11 ticks. We did 328,000 contracts. This is after, we had gone up pretty dramatically. Bonds want to basically they're pulling back right now, dramatically lighter volume. You know, we went topside with the 580,000 contracts. Yesterday we pulled back with 320. Today 320. The bonds can basically get back to the 30-year can get back to about 145.20, which is not that much down from where we actually are. That's only about another 15 ticks down. We go to the dollar index. We take a look at the dollar. What you have inside the dollar is this. Dollar index today, she pulled back with lighter volume, 21,000 contracts. We're at a price point right now of 82.40. She's coming into 46,000 contracts. So bottom line, you know, dollar can get a little bit lower. She got to the price point today of 82.37, but that swing point down there is 82.25. SPX cash number, folks, that's the number you want to keep your eye on. And most of the time what you'll see is this. I suspect that cash number will get spiked. And so it's going to be a time frame deal. We're coming into Wednesday. I would have loved to see it got hit today, but it didn't. We'll see how it comes into it tomorrow. Let's go to Mike in North Carolina. Hey, Mike, what's going on?
Hey, Tom. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great, man. You having a good day out there?
I am having a great day. It's beautiful, mid-80s probably here.
Oh, isn't that beautiful, man? Totally.
That's amazing. Yeah, if the spring hit, it's like hitting a switch, you know.
It is. You know what? You're absolutely right. It is hitting a switch. There's no doubt about that, man.
But, yeah, so I just wanted to ask you about the SLV, see what you thought of that today.
Let's take a look. The SLV, folks, is the iShares Silver Trust. This trades at the price of silver. The low is, let's see, the low for the year is at 25.34. The high is 34. Now, first, let me do this. I'm going to go over just actually look at the silver contract first. Okay, so we're dealing with the SIK, and so what we did out here today is this. Okay, we did 50,000 contracts, which is not bad, by the way. Okay, you're going against 57. You're going against 57. So silver did get some juice underneath it today, no doubt about that. If we go to the SLV and we take a look at the SLV, now do you own this, Mike? You're looking to buy it?
I own it, and it's just a starting position, though, and an initial position. Yeah, so.
Okay. So what I would do ASAP is put see, this is going to be tough. I don't think this downdraft's over yet.
Okay.
I'd tighten this up so dramatically, you know. But bottom line, this is what you have. What we have done is this, folks. Each and every bounce in the silver market and the gold market hasn't been real. This one today is still, to me, is not enough juice. Okay. You're going to slam right into this 27.35 level. We got up today to 27.14. See, we did 11 million shares. Well, you're going downtown with 25 million. So how that comes into it is going to be talking, walking, and squawking in a big way. How the equities, now there is divergence, folks. This is what's going on in the golden middle in the silver market right now. There's divergence between the actual physical metals, meaning the gold and the silver, that they basically very well could have bottomed. I don't think they bottomed if they let's put it this way. The lows of last week, I suspect they're going to get tested again, okay? But that may be the bottom. And this is what the difference is. The difference is the XAU, the HUI, broke the B point and broke them with volume. So they're going to go a lot lower. You know, we'll see how the test comes out in the actual physical metal. When you look at the actual gold or silver equities today, you know, they got some price underneath them, but that is just to suck more people in. You know, Rango Resources was up 250 today, 750,000 shares. That thing needs a good million shares to break out of this deal. So,
yeah.
You know, I just stay tight with it, man. But you know, I don't think they're ready yet. But
got it. Yeah, no, it's sure tried my patience. But anyway, I appreciate the feedback. Thank you.
Clicking, brother, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one. 877-927-6648. We ended out. Finish up 59. Nasdaq up 15. S&P's up 5.5. Gold up $12.20. Silver up 76 cents. Platinum was up 10. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Bye.